Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope you're having a fantastic day and I thank you so much for tuning in today. Today, guys, I am participating or actually co-hosting a collaboration or challenge, and it is the Dollars in My City Summer collaboration. Now, what are we doing for Dollars in My City? Well, what we are doing is based on the number of dollar stores in our city, we are putting together a DIY item of our choice. So what I mean by that is you are to select items from, or the challenge is that you select items from each of the dollar stores in your city and create the DIY of your choice. Now in my city, we have a Family Dollar, Dollar General, and we have a Dollar Tree. So I have taken items from each of those dollar stores, and I'm going to create or put together a DIY item for you today. Now, I'm the co-host, but let me tell you a little bit about my host. The host for this collaboration is the lovely Tammy, and her channel is Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Now, Tammy does unconventional DIYs. She does home decor, revamps, tablescapes, you name it, and just wonderful work. So if any of that sounds like it would be something you'd be interested in, if you don't subscribe to her channel, please go over and pay her a visit today. I promise you, you won't regret it. Now, for my DIY, what I am doing is putting together a very basic DIY that anyone can do, any skill level, nothing complicated. Guess what? I'm not even going to use Mod Podge today. What I'm going to do is take some champagne flutes that I purchased from the Dollar General, a tiered tray that I purchased from the Family Dollar, and some plastic dinnerware or plastic plates that I purchased from the Dollar Tree rather, and create a tier tray that I can use for appetizers or just, decorative purposes. So I'm going to stop talking and let you see what I put together. And I've kind of speeded up the video a little bit so that it won't be very long, but I'm going to show you my process of how I put together my tiered tray. Okay, guys, so what you'll see me do here is first line up or center the glass that I'm going to use, the champagne flute rather, in the center of my tiered tray. And I just use these little markings that you really can't see on the video to do that, to make sure that it was in the center. They're actually markings that the manufacturer had already placed on the tray. Then I'm going to take a little hot glue, and off camera you don't see it, but I use a little bit of E6000 too, just to make sure that the tray is a little bit more secure. Then you see me adding 2 more layers, and again I'm using my plates that I got from the Dollar Tree. Those plates are great. I've used them in tablescapes too, because they, if you add another plate underneath them, they look like high-end plates, but they're plastic. So again, I'm adding that. So then the last thing that you're going to see me do is to put together the top piece. What I've done is take the end off another champagne flute that I actually got from another store, and I can't remember where, but it's plastic as well. And then I took just a little fake rhinestone. After I glued the 2 end pieces together, I took a little fake gem or rhinestone and put that, or hot glued that into the top, just to embellish the tray a little bit. And that was really it. I mean, this was a really easy DIY, like I said. And it doesn't take any skill level whatsoever. You're not going to need any Mod Podge, any glitter, anything like that. Main thing is just making sure you line everything up and center everything. Now here I'm showing you what my tray looked like completed. I think it turned out pretty nice. You know, again, now this is not going to be a tray where you can display heavy items like cups and things like that, but it's certainly sturdy enough to put some florals on, or some appetizers or anything, you know, like that, that you want to display. Again, I think it turned out pretty. Now, if you wanted to, you could do a little bit more to it. You could add a little embellishment, or you know, something like that. I decided to leave it just like this. And then what I did is, and you'll see in my final frame, that I basically just put some flowers on it, or some florals on it, just to show you kind of what it would look like decorated. And that's really it, guys. That's all I had today. That is the end of my video. So again, I hope this is something that you can do if you'd like to do it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and remember, please go down and visit the playlist. I've also added a link to my host channel. Again, her name is Tammy, and her channel is Me, Myself, and DIYing It. And I've got a link to her channel down in my description box. So that's all I had. This is my Dollars in the City Summer 2020 challenge. And guys, you know what I like to say at the end. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.